Installing a node into a node sleeve. Note: the node and power adapter replacement procedures for wall, ceiling, or DIN rail mounted systems are identical. Note: an SE100 node with an expansion kit is shown in this video. The same replacement procedure can be used for an SE100 node without an expansion kit. Align the node with the node sleeve and then slide it in until it stops. Fasten the 4 thumb screws on the side of the node sleeve. Connect the power cable to the node. Fasten the screw and make sure the power cable is securely locked.